You ever build out your scene in Blender and felt like something is missing? I'm going to show you how to add realistic volumetric fog into your scene. So the first step is to add a cube. Go into the object properties. Go to Viewport Display, Display as Wire so we can see what's going on in our scene. Now scale up the cube so that it fits everything in your scene just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and open up our shader editor. Click on New, delete the principled BSDF, add a principled volume. Also add a volume scatter node. Get a mix shader node. Connect both the principled volume and the volume. Scatter node to the mixed shader node, and plug the mixed shader node into the material output to the volume. So for the principled volume, I like to set my density at 0.001. That should be good. The anisotropy, where I like to have it at like 0.65 or 0.6 or even 0.7. It depends on your scene. I'm just going to put it at 0.6. Same thing, right here. Anisotropy at 0.6. Then we're going to add a noise texture to our scene. Connect the color to the density of the volume scatter. And if you have the node wrangler add-on enabled, press Ctrl-T to map the noise texture to the cube. Then, in between here, we're going to add a color ramp. This is so we can control the fog. So if you look into rendered view right now, we can see that we already got a whole lot of fog, but it's way too much. So now we can use the color ramp to just push this over. And as you can see, we get fog that is controllable throughout the scene. And yeah, that's basically it. This is how to add volumetric fog to your scene. You may change a lot of these settings to get your fog right for your scene. It depends. Every scene is different. But yeah, that's the easiest way.